so before we bring all of our stuff in and all that goodness, I wanted to show you guys an empty apartment tour. Like, I just walked through here, y'all, and I really felt like I was gonna cry. Mike is out walking Kobe, but I want to show you guys our apartment and hope you guys enjoy. I cannot even believe we are California residents. Like, I just don't even know what to do with myself. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna take you guys outside. You come through the door, and here is the entryway. So there's the door wall. We have valet trash, and then this is all the entryway. And when you come from the entryway, you go straight, and you're gonna go straight into the kitchen, and that's where I'm gonna start. Okay, so once you come in, I think these are quartz countertops. I am absolutely in love with them. And the sink, y'all, I can't even about how excited I am about this. Like, I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So, quick span. There's a cabinet over here, and then 4 down there. And these 2 drawers, I do believe, are functional. Yes, they are. Both drawers are functional. Our dishwasher is there. Another drawer and cabinet here. We turn. This is for the laundry room. I'll go in there in a minute. On this side of the wall is our pantry. Oh, those are really deep shelves. Awesome. I'm like finding a lot of this stuff out as I go and talk with you guys. So that's the top part of the pantry. Our fridge. Here, let me come out, and that way you guys can see a better view. So then there's the fridge, microwave, stove. I love like the glass looking subway tiles. They're like grayish, love them. That is like the island sink, bar, all of that. But again, this is how the kitchen is set up. It's just a little hard to see when you're in there. So let's go over here to the laundry room. Is the light inside, outside, inside? Let's see. Oh, the light's inside. So here's the laundry room. Pretty basic. It came with washer and dryer. So they have a Whirlpool matching sets. I wish there was no agitator. I actually cannot stand agitators. I feel like they give more lint on clothing. But I cannot be complaining because this came with the place. So that's our bag I put up there. But I like that they have the shelving on each side. Great. A nice big wall. I can do a little bit of decorating in there. And I like the French doors. I guess when you turn the light on, there's a vent. But I like the magnetic French doors. Yeah, like the things don't turn. So that is that. So let's go back to the front door. Okay, so here is like the living room, dining room duo, I'm guessing. I'm guessing that they think that the table should be centered under this light, is what I'm thinking, but I don't think that that's how I'm going to have things set up. Or maybe the TV, but then people walk through. That's not something I like. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna set all this up, but I know I'll have some bar stools here. And I'm thinking maybe the table, then the couch, but it might go this way. Not sure yet. But yeah, this is just like a really big open space, which I love. The open floor plan of everything. So standing in the living room, if we go straight over here to the left, that is going to be me and Mike's room. If I go to the right, that is the kids' side of the place. So let's walk down to me and Mike's side. I am not really impressed with how big this room is, just because we do have a king size bed, and I'm not quite sure how this is all going to fit. But then again, it could always look small, and then when you put your furniture in there, it fits. So I'm trying not to be too much. I love the ceiling fans. I love the blades on them. But yeah, what I'm thinking in here is our bed this way, nightstands, and then a dresser and TV here. And on this side, have my vanity and all of that over here. You keep walking and it is a walk-in closet, again with the magnetic doors, and the shelving. Love that. I already have like how I want to decorate this because I'm pretty sure this is just gonna be my closet. I don't think it's big enough for me. I'm like, okay. And then we have a master bath, wherever the lights are, which I am absolutely in love with. Second to the lights. All right, so here's the master bath. Here's what I'm looking like. Hey, the master bath, again, the repeat quartz. I think they're quartz countertops. Love the water faucets, and again, drawers here, which is like so perfect. And then another his and her sinks. Thank the Lord. Mike can cut his hair, his beard, his mustache, all that stuff, and keep it on his side, okay? We have a towel rack there, toilet. I love all the matching details. I love the arched shower rod. We have a nice garden tub. I love that. All of this. Oh, and I love this little, like a little towel rack. And then we do have like a linen closet for our things in here. Our room is going to be the patio door, which I'm very happy that it's on our side and not the kids' side. Just gonna show y'all a real quick tour. It's a pretty big patio. I can have no complaints about what this patio looks like. I think my furniture will fit perfect out here. Again, I'll come this way and show you guys. Gotta clean it off a little bit. All right, so from the patio, we're gonna come over here to the kids' side of the place. So they have a full hallway, which I love. They are just like tucked away. So when you come straight through, you go first into Miss London's room. This is London's room. She has one good sized window. Again, the repeated ceiling fan. This is a really big room. I think she will fit more than all of her stuff in here. That's her closet. It has mirrors on both of them. And then this is the inside of her closet. So next, out of London's room, the next room is their bathroom, the guest bathroom. I love it. It's nice and big. They again have the vanity with his and her sinks, so it will be perfect for them sharing. A nice huge mirror, of course, toilet, a towel rack. They have the same towel hook, the arched, everything else except they don't have a garden tub, but I still like how deep this tub is. It's much deeper than what I'm used to. And then they also have linen area in there. And then lastly, we have Mr. Logan back here in the back. Excuse me. His room is equally as big as to London's. I thought that his room was gonna be smaller, so that's why I put him back here, but actuality, both of their rooms look the same size. They do both have the glass mirrors for doors, but Logan in the back, oh, and both sides, he has shelving, which is perfect because he does not have a actual dresser, so that works out even better over here. What you got on your walls already, son? Dirty. I'm hoping these wash pretty good. These are textured walls, but they're not like heavily textured. He has one big window and then the small window, which not really, I don't know why. I'm gonna have to like put a curtain there for no reason, but yeah. So that is the tour. This guy, he wasn't able to help give the tour because he was tending to the other little ones that needed to be tended to. But that is our apartment, empty apartment tour.
We out here, son.
I know. That is our tour, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. I cannot wait to decorate and show you guys how I decorate because you know I've been shopping this whole time.
Now the fun part starts.
So, this is so exciting. I'm just so excited. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. You can see like our whole move and all of that. Those videos will probably be up before this, so I will link them in the description box or put a card up here. Other than that, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.